So today we have over 250 students from the surrounding school districts here for National Manufacturing Day. National Manufacturing Day is put on by SME to promote manufacturing pathways, careers, and opportunities for young people to learn about the great opportunities that exist in the local manufacturing industry. Right now, the manufacturing industry in Southeast Texas is hiring a lot of different technicians, from welders, industrial maintenance technicians, pipe fitters, machinists, and robotic operators. So there's a great demand right now by all sectors of manufacturing, including oil and gas, energy, food manufacturing, and electronics manufacturing for those types of positions. So a lot of good paying jobs with great benefits for graduates.
We're here to celebrate Manufacturing Day at HCC, and we're offering a display of our polymer and metal 3D printed parts. And we demonstrate what kind of machines that we've 3D printed these on. We also let you, like for instance, this articulating dragon, was made on a big rep in one pass. This was printed. And the neat thing about this is that this is a TPU. We've got flexible, we've also got rigid materials, all dependent on what you're needing. Okay, some of these polymer technologies allow you to 3D print the entire assembly and still have moving parts. And a lot of students sound like they are familiar with what 3D printing is, but maybe not that there are so many different technologies. So again, we invite you to come and visit our facility, maybe talk to some of our consultants and see, you can anywhere from sales to application engineering to field support to maybe 3D modeling, CAD modeling, some of the designs that people need before they actually 3D print the part. Students are learning how to do design for additive manufacturing. There's so many different steps in learning the entire workflow, but it's a great industry to be in.
Today we are here at the HCC Manufacturing Day event. I believe that's the name of it. We are, as background, Toolkit Technologies. We are a workforce development company. We are very proud to work with schools just like HCC, providing hands-on training systems, technologies, curriculum to schools and to companies to provide workforce training, providing students and learners with really engaging skills, really demanded and industry-needed skills. What a student can expect is that everything that they learn with these training systems is the exact same technologies, components, hardware that they'll expect to see in those industries and in those work fields. With our training systems, with the curriculum that we provide, they're learning all the most valuable skills, right? Our reference is industry, and it's very important that students have that reference coming into industry and have that kind of credential behind them. So they can expect to be able to walk into a floor, any type of company and manufacturing facility. They won't know everything their first day. There's always going to be on-the-job training, but they're going to be certainly a leg up above others.